The wedding guests froze in stunned silence as the bride slowly removed the sparkling diamond ring from her finger. Expensive flowers covered every corner of the grand hall, cameras flashed endlessly, and an orchestra waited for the signal to begin the ceremony. Instead, the successful CEO calmly turned away from the altar with tears streaming down her face. She left behind the luxurious wedding, the perfect image everyone admired, and a future that looked flawless from the outside. A few hours later, still wearing her elegant white dress beneath a long gray coat, she stood trembling in front of the small home of a struggling single father. No one understood why one of the city's most powerful women would abandon everything for an ordinary man raising his daughter alone. Even more shocking was what happened after the door opened, because the woman who had always hidden her emotions finally broke down, unable to pretend anymore that she loved someone else. Before we continue this emotional journey, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who believes in kindness and second chances, and subscribe to Love and Destiny. Your support helps bring more heartfelt stories that remind us hope can appear when we least expect it. Nathan Carter had never imagined that his quiet life would somehow become connected to one of the most famous businesswomen in the city. At 37 years old, he devoted every waking moment to raising his 8-year-old daughter, Grace, after losing his wife to illness years earlier. Life was never easy. Every dollar mattered. Every repair around the small house had to wait until payday. Every night he worried whether he was giving Grace enough opportunities despite their limited income. Yet the little girl never complained. She believed her father could fix anything with patience, kindness, and determination. Those simple words became the foundation of Nathan's life, even when everything around him seemed determined to prove otherwise. Nathan worked as a maintenance supervisor for a technology company owned by Victoria Bennett, a brilliant CEO known for her intelligence, impossible standards, and distant personality. Most employees feared her presence because she rarely smiled and expected perfection from everyone around her. Nathan respected her deeply but never expected more than an occasional polite greeting. He quietly repaired broken equipment, arrived before sunrise, stayed late whenever necessary, and returned home exhausted each evening to help Grace with homework before making simple dinners. His life was ordinary, but his greatest success was seeing his daughter smile despite every hardship they faced together. Unknown to Nathan, Victoria often noticed him from the upper floor windows overlooking the employee parking lot. She watched him patiently help coworkers whose cars refused to start. She noticed him giving away his lunch to a security guard who had forgotten his own meal. She once saw him carrying boxes for an elderly cleaner even though no one was watching. Those moments slowly challenged everything Victoria believed about success. She had spent years chasing wealth, recognition, and perfection while ignoring the simple humanity that Nathan displayed every single day without expecting praise. Pressure surrounded Victoria from every direction. Investors wanted stability. Her influential family wanted a prestigious marriage. The media celebrated her upcoming wedding to another wealthy executive, calling them the perfect power couple. Yet every interview, every photograph, and every carefully planned public appearance felt like another performance. She smiled for cameras while feeling emptier each passing day. The man waiting for her at the altar represented everything society admired but nothing her heart truly desired. She realized she had spent years convincing herself that appearances mattered more than genuine love. Everything changed during a company charity event. Grace had accompanied Nathan because childcare arrangements had unexpectedly fallen through. While executives discussed million-dollar partnerships, Grace quietly drew colorful pictures in the corner. Victoria noticed the child sitting alone and eventually walked over. Instead of being intimidated, Grace proudly showed her a drawing of herself holding hands with her father beneath a rainbow. Across the top, the little girl had written that the richest people were the ones who always came home. Those innocent words pierced Victoria's heart more deeply than any business failure ever had. After that evening, Victoria found herself questioning every decision she had made. She realized she admired Nathan not because he was extraordinary in the world's eyes but because he remained compassionate despite carrying burdens that would have broken many people. He never complained about unfairness. He simply kept choosing kindness every single day. The more she reflected on her own engagement, the clearer it became that she was preparing to promise forever to someone she respected but did not truly love. On the morning of the wedding, Victoria looked into the mirror and barely recognized the woman staring back. The expensive gown, flawless makeup, and priceless jewelry could not hide the sadness behind her eyes. She understood that marrying without love would not only destroy her own future but also deeply wound another person living inside a lie. With trembling hands, she made the most difficult decision of her life. She apologized publicly, removed the engagement ring, and walked away before anyone could convince her to ignore her heart once again. Hours later, after driving through endless rain without knowing exactly where she was going, Victoria found herself parked outside Nathan's modest home. She had no prepared speech and no expectation that he would understand. She simply knew she could no longer continue pretending to be someone she wasn't. Nathan opened the front door, shocked beyond words by the unexpected visitor standing there. Grace peeked from behind him, immediately recognizing the woman from the charity event. The warmth in the little girl's smile shattered the emotional walls Victoria had spent years building. Tears flowed uncontrollably as she admitted that she could not fake loving someone else while ignoring the peace she always felt whenever she witnessed the quiet strength inside that humble home. Nathan never celebrated the dramatic decision Victoria had made. Instead, he gently reminded her that healing required honesty, patience, and forgiveness, not rushed emotions. Over the following weeks, she stepped away from public attention and slowly rebuilt her life. She spent time volunteering alongside company employees, listened to workers whose voices had never reached the executive offices, and learned that leadership meant serving people rather than impressing shareholders. Nathan never treated her like a celebrity. He simply treated her like another human being searching for hope after years of hiding behind success. Grace became the unexpected bridge connecting two completely different worlds. She invited Victoria to school events, encouraged her to help bake cookies for neighborhood fundraisers, and proudly introduced her as her father's friend. The little girl's innocence reminded both adults that genuine love grows quietly through trust, compassion, and countless ordinary moments rather than grand public declarations. Months passed before Nathan finally realized that Victoria's feelings had never been about admiration for a simple man. They were about discovering the life she had unknowingly searched for beneath years of ambition. Together they transformed the company culture, creating scholarships for employees' children, improving workplace conditions, and supporting struggling families throughout the community. Business success remained important, but people finally became the company's greatest achievement. If this story has touched your heart so far, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who still believes love can heal broken lives, and subscribe to Love and Destiny for more unforgettable stories filled with hope, faith, and second chances. Special request: before this story ends, please comment below and tell us, do you believe true love always begins with honesty? Years later, people rarely remembered the wedding that never happened. Instead, they remembered the extraordinary kindness that grew from one courageous decision. Victoria learned that real success could never be measured by luxurious ceremonies or impressive headlines. Nathan discovered that opening his heart again did not betray the memories of his past but honored them by choosing happiness once more. Grace grew up surrounded by two adults who proved that love is never about perfection, wealth, or appearances. It is about having the courage to stop pretending, to choose truth over comfort, and to believe that even after life's greatest disappointments, destiny can still knock gently on an ordinary front door and change everything forever.